gay.
Wow, that makes me so mad. I didn't get any
Everybody
fucking
on
alt
the
charge
bird.
after hitting 3 of them.
They'll never expect it.
Oh shit, I'm retarded.
My shield's down.
I'm dead, I need heals.
This will swing the hammer. We're healing you.
Ooh.
Moira on me.
Reaper behind. Oh shit.
Lido.
Other end. Yeah.
I fucking love cantaloupe.
What?
Just
My
like
fiance
cantaloupe.
says that we cantaloupe. But they can.
Left.
Is that a fucking Zarya?
I have health.
Got that bitch.
Counter,
Oh,
counter.
Really?
I countered him.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Got
I
you.
got all.
D.Va above. D.Va above with Mercy.
Reaper's up there too now.
D.Va on point.
Counterpin, counterpin.
Can I get a rest?
Mercy, please, guys. Mercy above. She's flying around. Like a little bitch.
I'm making sure she doesn't res me. Oh, well, she did.
Oh shit.
D.Va on map. D.Va on point. I can't res that. Don't have res up.
Nice.
They have yet gone fucking Vara. No, the guy with the hole in his fucking throat said that.
You don't have a hole in your throat.
Yeah, sometimes I fill it with paper. Fuck you.
Voice.
Sometimes I fill it with paper. Fuck you, okay?
As soon as he drops it, I'm shattering.
Drop.
I got 2.
Okay, well, that was fun.
Push them.
I think I got Podgy. I don't know if I did or not. But I'm pretty sure I did. You pushing up?
Fall back.
Probably get back to point, boys.
Oh shit, that was close.
He tried to get back to the point.
Nice try.
That was fucking great.
Yep, very good.
Good hold.
0-0. Switching sides.
I'll switch if it's not working.
Commencing. Capture objective A.
That's annoying as fuck.
Yeah, I'm going straight in.
They're all top there.
There's a bastion.
Okay, fuck, bro. Comp is annoying as hell. And somehow you guys killed them.
GG.
Did you?
Victory.